Hey everyone, today we'll guide you through the process of joining a Discord server using the mobile app. Whether you have an invite link or want to explore discoverable communities, we'll show you how to do it right from your phone. Let's dive in. First, open the Discord app on your mobile device. If you have an invite link, simply tap on it to join the server directly. Alternatively, if you received an invite link elsewhere, you can copy the link and paste it into your mobile browser's address bar. This will prompt you to open the link in the Discord app, allowing you to join the server. If you don't have an invite link and want to join a specific server, you can use your mobile browser to find it. Open your preferred browser and search for the Discord server you're interested in joining. Once you find the server's webpage, look for the Join Server button and tap on it. After tapping on the Join Server button, you'll be prompted to open the link in the Discord app. Tap on the option to open the link in the Discord app, and you'll be directed to the server within the app. Confirm your decision to join the server, and you'll become a member instantly. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to join a Discord server on mobile, whether through an invite link or by finding a server through a browser. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.